Hello. Let's learn how to make this crochet necklace with waxed yarn. Start by making a loop and chaining 4. Then, make a slip stitch on the first chain. Now chain 5. Single crochet 1 on the next chain from loop. Now make a half double crochet and another single crochet. Slip stitch in the chain 4 space. Repeat 4 more times to have 5 petals in total. Cut the yarn. Pull out the loop. Pull to tighten the center. Use hook to pull the yarn to the right side. Tie a knot. Pull leaves to make them rounder. Let's add beads. Put yarn behind and tie a knot. Cut and burn. Now let's make the leaves. Make a loop and join through a petal tip. Chain 10. Single crochet in next chain from hook. High double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. Repeat until you have 6 leaves in total. Make 2 square knots. Cut the yarn, leaving about 30 centimeters or 11.5 inches length. Pull the loop out. Cut and burn. Cut a piece of yarn twice the size of the yarn length you left before and fold it in half. Pass it through the same place the leaf ends. Now let's braid for approximately 15 centimeters or 5.5 inches. Make 2 square knots. Add a bead. Make 3 more square knots. Cut and burn. Now let's do the same for the other side. Chain 10 and make a single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. But on the reverse side of the chain. Repeat until you have 6 leaves and follow the steps from before. Now we have to make the sliding knot here. Take a small piece of the yarn you cut before. Pass it under both braids like so. Make 7 spiral knots or as many as you like. Cut and burn. Now let's make everything straight and neat. Cover the necklace with a cotton pillowcase. Tap the iron carefully, avoiding the sliding knot. Your necklace is now ready. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Follow my journey and watch out for more tutorials.